This video explores the potential of if functions. An if function does a logical check between a value and an expectation. Let's say, for example, you have sales data and the total for the quarter, but you need to investigate situations where the person did not meet the minimum company expectation. If there's only a few rows, it's easy to see. But if you have several hundred or several thousand, let Excel do that work for you. You begin with the equal sign, the word if, and an open parenthesis. And then we specify the logic check. In this case, is this number less than the minimum expectation? We want to always refer to that cell. So we're going to use dollar signs to make it an absolute cell reference. And then a comma. If this is true, what do we want Excel to do? It could move on to further calculations, or in this case, return the phrase investigate. But if it is not true, in other words, the number is greater than that minimum expectation, we want it to simply return the phrase okay. Close parentheses and hit enter. And now we can copy it down and see, in fact, the two situations that we need to investigate. Now, another situation might be where a salesperson will get extra recognition if they exceeded a level of commission sales. Again, begin with the word if and open parentheses. And this time, the logic test is this number greater than the recognition level? And again, we want this to always be referencing J3. So we're going to make it an absolute cell reference with a dollar sign. And then, what is it that we want Excel to do? In this case, we want it to return the phrase or word recognize. And if it is not true, maybe the word no, that they don't get any recognition. Hit enter, copied it down, and we see, in fact, we have quite a few who deserve special recognition. And because it is always referring to these one spots, if the company changes the criteria, say now they want everyone to be above $75,000, just change one spot and all of our if statements automatically update with the new results. Likewise, if they raise the recognition level, update it, and now we see the smaller number of people who deserve added recognition. This is just the beginning of some of the things you can do with the if statement to look up something, do an analysis, and either move on to further calculations or return phrases that help you analyze and understand your information.